Getting down to brass tacks, understanding English idioms. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, getting down to brass tacks. If you're curious about what this means and how you can use it in a conversation, you've clicked on the right video. Let's dive in and understand every nook and cranny of this expression. The phrase, getting down to brass tacks, is an idiom in English. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. This can be confusing for learners, but also fun. Brass tacks refers to the basic facts or realities of a situation. When someone says, "Let's get down to brass tacks," they mean, let's talk about the most important aspects of this topic. Understanding the origin of brass tacks can help you remember it better. There are a few theories about where this phrase came from. One popular theory is that it originated from the practice in furniture making of using actual brass tacks as a marker for cutting or lining up fabric precisely. It signifies getting to the bottom line or foundation of the matter, much like the brass tacks in furniture help establish the basic structure before adding the upholstery. Now that you know what brass tacks means, let's put it into practice. Here are a few examples. After discussing the history of the law, the teacher finally got down to brass tacks and explained its current application. The meeting was going on for hours, so the manager said it was time to get down to brass tacks and make a decision. "I enjoyed chatting about the weather, but let's get down to brass tacks and talk about our project deadline." Notice how the phrase is used to transition to talking about the important part of the conversation. It's also good to know when not to use a particular phrase. Brass tacks is informal, so it's best used in casual conversation or business talk. It's not suitable for very formal writing or speeches. It also doesn't make sense to use it when you're already discussing the details of something. Thanks for watching. I hope this explanation helps you get a good grasp of the phrase, getting down to brass tacks, and that you feel confident using it in your next English conversation. Remember, learning a new language is all about getting down to the brass tacks of practice and real-life application. So, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try out new phrases. Until next time, happy learning!